This is Monique with your Daily Sunshine. Just wanted to touch upon this subject matter, which is burnout, crises, and the status of your mental health. To me, mental health it's sometimes it can be very fragile because it's maybe not one thing that can put you over the line, but also maybe like a series of things. And just like the program on oxygen snapped, I'm like, I can understand some people just not knowing or just totally blanking out on a situation or their reaction to a situation, because the human mind is extremely um, extremely complex. But you have protectors and things happen, and it can go from 0 to 360 extremely quickly. But there are a number of resources out there, especially for the military community. I know they're putting a lot of emphasis on suicide prevention for the soldiers who are coming back, and then also for the soldiers who are here, to give them help and support. So hopefully, if you're caregiving, if you need help and assistance, there is the crisis hotline. There are numerous resources. Sometimes you don't feel like it's there, but you really have to reach out. And then also contact your healthcare provider. I know a lot of healthcare providers, they do provide help and assistance, either with speaking with a counselor or some psychiatric help. But you being as strong as you can for your loved one and also for yourself, because you have to think about it's you first, and then you can take care of your loved one by you being as strong as you can. Case in point, my dad, he had gotten really, really sick a couple of years ago, and I felt myself. I was on the ledge, and I felt myself about to jump. And it was just, it was just one of those times. It was like, oh my God, I'm about to lose my mind. And let me tell you what saved me. This is but it was the thing that just made me be like, snap out of it. It's not that easy. It was still a number of steps, but it was something that really got my attention after leaving the hospital, because we left him in ICU. After leaving the hospital that night, I was rushing up. So I parked in the first available parking space that I saw, and, ran into the ER. And they had put a ticket on my car. So, good old DC, they really brought me back down. They saved me. And I was like, how in the world did I get a ticket? It's like after midnight. So, how did I get a ticket? And the sign, DC's still dealing with this problem now. There's a sign that's at the end. I think I was parked somewhere in the middle, at the end of the block, or at the end of the driveway. There was a sign that said, no parking. And this is when they were doing street cleaning. I think it was like overnight, from maybe midnight to 5 or something. You couldn't park after midnight. And I had just reached, I think it might have been 12:30, 1 o'clock or whatever. And just reached it. So that was the one thing for me. But also, just make sure you stay tied in with your support groups and your friends and family. Don't go at this alone. Um, you're not by yourself. Please lean on someone, something. Please reach out. This is very serious. And I just hope and wish the best for you. But I just want you to do it with a sound mind. You're getting excellent support, and you can better take care of you and your loved one. Thanks so much. This is Monique.